happy Easter bank holiday weekend. So it's actually Saturday when I'm filming this. I thought we would do like a morning reset, some self-care. I need to wash my hair. I'm sure you can probably tell. We're not going to talk about it. It's been a week, so it needs to be washed. My sister's taken Darcy and Penny. They've gone to get their nails done. So I'm just here with Ollie. He's in his room doing a little bit of a reset himself. Not out of choice, it's part of his chores. And I need to tidy this bedroom because you can't see it right now, but it's chaos. So I thought we would spend the morning together. So I really hope you enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you're not already, and let's get this bed made. Okay, so this is that Fourth and Reckless set that I showed you in my ASOS haul. So I actually put it on for a little bit yesterday and it is so comfy. So I think I'm just going to pop this on for the rest of today because haven't really got any huge plans other than just like getting on top of the house. Maybe need to pop out to get a few bits, but I just want to be comfortable today, you know. And I was a bit unsure about the brown, but I really like it actually. So I'm going to do some skincare now. I'm going to really quickly talk you through it because I did have some questions in, I don't know if it was my last vlog or the one before. So I'm going to show you everything I typically do on a morning. I don't always do an evening skincare routine, if I'm being honest at the moment. I used to be really religious with it, but I've just been kind of like skipping out on that. So I'm going to show you what I do without fail every single morning. Okay, I've actually done my skincare. Excuse my creaky chair. I just thought I would show you what I have used. I will leave a link to what I can down below. Some of the Medicube stuff though I did get off of TikTok shop. You can buy it, you don't have to buy it on there. You can buy it online, but if you do follow me on TikTok, you can look at any of my like day in the life videos where I'm kind of like getting ready. I will always link the products, but if you don't have TikTok, I'll find a link and link it down below. So first up, for my eye serum, I just use this one. I did grab this one from Boots. It's the Revive Eye Serum Ginseng and Retinol by Beauty of Hosen. I then popped on, so once I've done that, to tone my face, so I'll cleanse in the shower. I then used the Medicube pore pads. So I used the blue ones. So these are designed to help like close your pores, and I love them. They come with this really cool like applicator tool, some tweezers, so you just pop one out. And like I said, if I am doing my skincare on an evening, I will use this as well. I have kind of been skipping my skincare though, because I've just been a little bit all over the place. So I just literally do that all over, and I just feel like my face feels really clean. So I love those. They do have different colour top ones. So I know the ones with the red top are for like if you suffer with breakouts. So Darcy was using those. They were just a bit too strong for her, so she's completely stripped her skincare routine back. They do also have the PDR-NA ones, which are salmon sperm. I've never used them. They're supposed to be amazing for anti-aging. I don't know how, I just feel a bit weird. Salmon sperm, I don't know. I feel a bit weird. I do kind of want to try them, but I don't really know. So I've just been loving these. So this is my second pot. Once I've done that, I let that just soak in for a little bit because your face is kind of like wet. I've then been using, so I've been using this since early February. So again, it's by Medicube. I love this brand. I moved to them, I think, like in December time. So this is the 1 day Eczema shot. So they do it in medium and I don't know what the other word, like an intense. So medium, it recommended, even though I've used retinol, it recommended for me to start on this. So I did. And I use this once in the morning, so after I've used my pads, and my face tingles. It's still kind of tingling now. And I don't know, let me know what you think, but I've had no Botox in like a year and a half. So I've never had any filler or anything like that in my face. I've only had 2 lots of Botox. Obviously, I wouldn't think any of that is still in my face. If I go like this, obviously I still have movement in my face. But if I'm just actually relaxed and talking, ignore my lazy eye. This really bothers me, this eye. But I feel like it doesn't look too bad for being 41. And I do feel like this has made a huge difference. On top of that, I will use some form of a peptide. So I did have this peptide serum from Medicaid. I've still got like obviously most of it left. And then my sister did give me the copper peptide. She didn't like this. So I've been alternating between these two. I've popped this on top. But also if I'm not using a peptide, I do also have this Future Renew Damage Serum from number 7. I got this at Christmas. It was like so cheap, and so I'll use a serum on top of this. I'll let it soak for a little while, and then I will go in with a moisturizer. So today I used the number 7 Protect and Protect one. Looks like this. It's got built-in SPF, and then I will pop an SPF on the top, and that is how working. So I've not put any makeup on. All I've done is just brushed my eyebrows up because they've been laminated for about a week now, so obviously all of my hairs are freshly stood up. Any kind of like movement to my face, if I'm rubbing in my cream or anything and they move out of place, because I've not set them as yet, I didn't know whether I need to just pop a few little hair streaks. I don't know if you can see that tiny gap there between where I'm growing. I've got a little tiny gap, so I'm going to pop a few little brush strokes in there. Probably some other ones before I set them. So I'm actually going to go and blow dry my hair. I'm going to do that off camera because I've done that so many times. All I've popped in is one of my rehab capsules. That was my last one, so I need to get some more. And I've just popped some of my heat protectant in. So I'm going to go and dry my hair, probably straighten it. I'm not sure if we're going to have it curly today or not. And I'll come back on once we've done that and we'll finish sorting out this bedroom.
Nobody's losing. Faces merchant change, but your face remains the same.
Okay guys, so I've gone with straight. Yeah, just wanted to go with straight today. So I'm going to tackle over this side of the room. This needs to be dusted. It's not been done in so long. It's bad. It's really bad. Like there is just dust everywhere. That bag I would like to get under the bed. That's all of our Lapland stuff. I need to sort out my ASOS parcels down there. There's a return I also need to do. The plant looks like it's in desperate need of a water. Put that away. It needs hoovering up here. It's really bad, and I just want to give everything a good dust. and then we'll go downstairs and we'll get the washing out of the machine and figure out whether we want to attempt to put it outside, because I don't know if we're due to get rain today. I need to check, but if not, that can go on the line. Then I can possibly get a second load done.
The swallows will be here by dawn. When we're finally sober, they'll be gone. The trees will bloom and ice will melt. We'll always remember how it felt. A significant life, just what it was needed. Clean in the blackest night, cloistered in injustice dead, and in the eyes of time, nobody's losing. The sparrows will be here by dawn. When we finally sober, they'll be gone. The trees will bloom and ice will melt. We'll always remember how it felt. I can wait no longer. The sun will rise. I'll leave you gone.
I've never been to this part of town. Everyone is dressed up here, but looks so down. Lost in a room where my shadow drowns. So glad I found you there in the crowd. All I wanted was a little connection, but they only care for their own reflection. I tried to blend in, but I'll never be like them. Out here, I'm someone else. Honey, honey, all their eyes just taste so sweet. Honestly, don't believe a thing they say. So tired of the games. It's not real, it's just pretend. Honey, all their lies just taste so sweet. Concrete jungle where dreams are sold. But your lips are worth more.
Okay, so we're downstairs. I'm in the front room. I'm actually going to start just taking down some of Tom's birthday decorations. There's only like banners. I'm going to sort through his bag just have a little bit of a tidy up in here, a dust and hoover, because Clifford's fur is everywhere. And I'm actually just going to pop a few of the Easter bits and pieces out when I'm filming this. I'm hoping I can get this up maybe on for Easter Sunday, because I'm filming this the day before. So I've not done a like decorate with me for Easter just yet, so I'm just going to put it out with you guys in this video. I've only got one box of decorations, so I'll bring that in a minute and we'll just have a little look through what we've got, and then obviously I can just pack all that back away on Monday. Yeah, I don't know what it is this year, I just didn't feel the urge to get everything out, but I'm going to stand you in the corner and then we're just going to refresh this room a little bit.
Hello, Ramona. I can't shake the simplest feeling beyond the ghost. We stand on the opposite shore. Hello, Ramona. I reach through mysterious ceilings, my only hope. I look for the things I don't know. I stand alone. Show me where the ending goes. Honest, honestly don't. I should be the last to know. We're all in this. I stand alone. Show me where the ending goes. Honest, honestly don't. I should be the last to know. Hello, Ramona. I mistook you for a dream. The engine glows, and I guess you always seem to know. Hello, Ramona. I push back the serious feeling. The end's unknown. To get back the life I used to know. I stand alone. Show me where the ending goes. Honestly don't. I should be the last to know. We're all in this. I stand alone. Show me where the ending goes. Honestly don't. I should be the last to know.
Okay, so I've just been pottering around. I haven't got everything out, I won't lie, because it's like the day before. Tom has just taken Penny and Ollie to go for a walk, so I thought I'd really quickly show you what I have set up. So first up, we've got this banner here. You will have seen this if you've seen any of my other videos. It says Happy Easter. I may have to show you that when it's not so bright. We've got a cute little egg there. We've got this little display here just with this Hessian banner. Some bits there. Cute little setup just down here and some headbands. A little chick and a little cute sign. And then just in the hallway, excuse my tripods, a very simple setup again. So that is how we're looking. I just need to put the kids' Easter bits, like the baskets and things together, which I'll probably do that later this evening. So I'll probably include that in another vlog. So maybe I'll do a vlog from like Easter, actually on Easter Sunday through then to Bank Holiday Monday. That'll make a really cute vlog, I think. But oh, did it come down again? The one on the door?
Yeah, but
okay.
the other side's perfect.
Oh, just one side. Oh, that's okay if it's only one side.
For Easter hunt, trying to get more.
So I am going to wrap up the video here. So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Come and say hello in the comments.
And it's going to be Easter tonight.
Tomorrow when you wake up.
Tonight?
Well, the bunny will come tonight, yeah?
Tomorrow?
Yeah, so we'll do our hunt tomorrow, okay?
Aww.
Subscribe if you're not already. And we'll see you in our next video. Bye, everyone. You can say bye-bye?
Bye-bye.
Say Happy Easter.
Happy Easter on Monday.